Right, action. Hi there, let's have an unboxing video of a Spyder Visor. You see the Spyder helmet that I got, the Hex 2, actually has no clear visor, that came along with it, when actually it's supposed to have a clear visor as well as tinted visor. So I thought of just buying a clear visor. So here it is. It's actually from Anja Paris, from Bacoor, Cavite. Anja Macpart's helmet store. So let's check it out. My helmet usually is really great during the day, but quite problematic at night because I seem to have problems with visibility, just a slight problem actually. But sige, let's have a quick unboxing. This thing that I got, and perhaps I will also install it later. I think we'll be needing our Victorinox climber, or maybe not anymore. Here it is. We'll be needing our Victorinox climber, particularly the pair of scissors right now. So here it is. Okay, cool. Coming out. Something I need for better visibility at night. Protection for your visions. So there, cool. I'll be installing this in a while.